Welcome, leadership team. Today, we present the strategic blueprint for the next century of computing, the 100-year OS. This roadmap outlines how we will restore trust and successfully transition to our next-generation architecture, NT Next, from 2026 through 2033. Let's review our strategic pivot. To defend against the looming Google Books threat targeting the Windows 10 end-of-life transition, we will execute a three-phase approach: immediate trust recovery with K2, bridging to core PC, and ultimately launching the NT Next ecosystem. Our current reality is a critical dilemma. Over 30 years of deep API coupling means fixing one bug breaks another, turning legacy compatibility into a gravity well. Competitors unburdened by legacy code are successfully redefining the PC as a lightweight extension of the cloud. Our immediate defense is the K2 initiative, establishing a 100% commitment across 4 pillars: performance benchmarked against SteamOS, a strict 48-hour SLA for critical reliability bugs, complete UI standardization under WinUI 3, and reframing AI as a stabilizing meta controller. The core philosophy is simple yet radical. Win32 is the heart of Windows. NT Next is the body and soul. We will stop trying to rewrite Win32. Instead, we encapsulate it as a native, isolated, mature personality, ensuring absolute zero-trust security without breaking enterprise apps. Architecturally, NT Next abandons the concept of rigid subsystems. It runs distinct personalities, such as Win32, UNIX, WASM, real-time, and quantum, as parallel first-class citizens on top of our hardened MinWin core, fully unified under the seamless Fusion Shell UX. With Classic Plus, we deliver zero-code modernization. Legacy API calls are intercepted at a secure boundary layer and translated into safe capability labels. Fragile legacy HWNDs undergo UI healing to render via modern GPU pipelines, ensuring eternal compatibility. To enforce absolute security, we introduce a 4-wall boundary model, a 128-bit unified virtual address descriptor for memory, a zero-copy IPC bus for restricted cross-personality routing, a capability-based file system boundary, and an eBPF-driven dynamic capability boundary. We have solved the classic trade-off between security and performance. By leveraging FastPath tokens and eBPF JIT compilation for cross-personality learning, we drop security audit overhead to a mathematically proven 10 to 15 nanoseconds, achieving bare metal speeds. NT Next refuses the traditional compromises of operating system design. It is the only architecture in the world that simultaneously maximizes all 3 critical vectors: formal security verification, hyper-speed real-time performance, and non-destructive legacy compatibility. Our strategy is not to build specialized niche operating systems, but to deploy tailored personality combinations to capture every vertical. From aerospace real-time cores to secure industrial SCADA applications and logistics, we scale across all sectors from a single codebase. We will operate a hybrid model. The core MinWin engine and Win32 personality remain closed as the fortress to protect our commercial moat. Simultaneously, we release open-source reference implementations for UNIX, WASM, and RT under a newly chartered Windows Foundation, backed by Azure. Looking further ahead, NT Next builds native personalities for quantum and biological computing. Most importantly, we introduce the Human Sovereignty Token, a physical hardware layer CSL gate, ensuring absolute human veto power over automated AI systems. Our execution roadmap is highly structured. Phase 1 is immediate trust recovery over the next 12 months. Phase 2 spans years 1 to 3 to fully sandbox Win32 and transition to core PC. Finally, Phase 3 deploys the complete multi-personality NT Next framework. We require 3 strategic mandates today. First, approve the K2 trust recovery timeline and 48-hour SLAs. Second, formally adopt the Classic Plus encapsulation strategy for Win32. Third, charter the Windows Foundation to secure hybrid open-source ecosystem capture. Let's build the next century of computing.